Hey y'all, Lily here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how I go about putting a sublimation transfer onto a t-shirt. If that's something that interests you, then keep on watching. Should you have any questions along the way, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to assist you. Alrighty, I'm going to make this quick and easy. So we need a sublimation transfer in order to print onto the t-shirt. So I'm using my Epson 2720 to print out my sublimation transfer. If you don't have a sublimation printer, you can always order them online. This does take a few minutes to print out, so once you have your printout, all you have to do is, what I like to do is just tear along the edges of the design so that way there's no harsh press lines when you press it. I like to grab a piece of butcher paper and a piece of Teflon sheet and put that on top of the design. Then I make sure my heat press is set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I press that at medium to heavy pressure and I let that press for 60 seconds. So I like to place a piece of butcher paper in between the shirt. I do this because sometimes the ink bleeds through the shirt and the design can be pressed onto the back of the shirt, and if it's a white shirt then you're definitely going to be able to see that. On darker color shirts it's kind of more harder to see that, but I always take this step because just in case I don't want to have to redo the shirt. I know this topic is really divided. Some people do it, some people don't. I will be making a video comparing which t-shirts actually bleed through and which ones don't, so if you'd like to see that, then go ahead and subscribe and ring that notification bell to stay tuned for that. Alright, and then once the 60 seconds are up, you just lift up your heat press. Don't touch it because it's hot. And then I turn mine off because I'm done using it, and then I just peel off the butcher paper and the Teflon sheet, and I'm going to show you here where the design does bleed. You see that? So if there was nothing protecting your heat press, and that would have been put onto the heat press, or that would have been faded onto the back of the t-shirt, and that's not what we want. And all we have to do is remove the paper. I am using Aesop paper. I will go ahead and leave that in the link down below in case you want to pick some up for yourself. Look at that, nice bright, love this paper. And I also use Cosmos ink. And then I'm just going to remove the butcher paper that I put in the middle of the t-shirt. And if we can see here, it's very faint, very light, but you can definitely see where the color bled through. So if this was a white t-shirt, you would definitely be able to see that on that, and that is not what we want. And that's pretty much it. We're all done with the t-shirt. If I missed anything, then feel free to comment down below and I will do my best to assist you. So as we can see here, the design is very nice, printed, very bold. I love that. I do have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. If you would like to go follow me over there, I would greatly appreciate the support. Once again, if you have any questions at all, feel free to comment down below and I will do my best to assist you in the best way possible. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great one.